Hey everyone, just another little quick video here. Had a few of these power supplies. They came from alarm systems, quite heavy. So I'm selling a few of these. People buy them for about 15-20 bucks, but I thought why not crack one open and see what's in there. So if you ever get one of these power supplies here, don't scrap them, don't throw them, test them first, and if they work, it's a good $15. So I cracked one of these open so I don't make a video of me hammering trying to bust the the plastic. So made it a little easier for me to make the video. So pretty much what's inside of one of these guys is nice thick heavy transformer with some wiring. Now, few things you can do. Obviously these guys you should keep there, put them with your brass and everything. So we got some screws, sorry, there's some wires here. Let me snip those. Snip the other side. So what we have is brown board here. From the looks of it, there's some really nice copper in here. So you got the green board out. I'm going to remove these, put them in my wire pile. I don't do too much wire stripping because I don't really have the time. I know people say do it in your free time, but don't have much free time. So if you can get into this, which you should be able to if you hammer this, you should be able to get a nice chunk of copper out of this. If not, you can sell this as a copper bearing motor. It has a lot of weight to it, so you'll get what, I think it's 12 or 15 cents a pound. If not, take it apart. I'll try to do that off video right now, and then I'll make a quick video to show you what came out of this. I don't want you guys listening to me hammering away. Hey guys, so I'm back with the little transformer here that I was taking apart. So like I said, I don't want to make a video of me banging on this thing trying to loosen all the little sleeves out, so got most of them out. Now I just want to show you what these things look like. So these are kind of wound up, all not wound up, well, with the copper wound around them, like all nice and tight. So once you start taking a few of these out, all the other ones just come out. Sometimes they're glued together. You know, you just have to kind of break the glue and everything to just start coming out. I want to show you guys this. So hit them with a hammer. I use the hammer and a chisel to get the first 3 or 4 out, but once you get 3 or 4 first ones out, all the other ones start coming out really smoothly. They're just like little sheets, and obviously the more you take out, the easier they come out. Just take them out with a little knife. Be careful at first. These could cut you. See how easy they just come out? Loosen them a little bit and then they just come out, no problem. Then once we get all these out, next step is to unwind the copper. This copper looks really nice and thick. Go one more and we should be done. Metal fell down. Let's pick that up. So now we have all of this copper to unwind. Should be pretty easy. We got two pieces of cable. Got all this tape to remove. And we get all the nice bright and shiny copper to unwind. There you go. Now all we have to do is just unwind. Look at that. All the nice, beautiful copper. Some of it very thick, some of it very thin. What I'll do when I'm done the video and everything, I will put how much all of this weighs in the comments. Not the comment section, but the description of the video. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful copper. So, if you do get one that's working, sell it. I scrapped this one just to show you guys what was inside. But definitely they do sell for about $15 working, so obviously better to sell it as complete and working than scrapping it. Like I said, this is just for video purposes. I just dropped a little bit of copper, pick that up. There you go. For some reason I lost the part where it unravels for some reason. Let's find something here. Start unraveling again. A lot more. There you go. A lot more quickly. And once you start getting this thing going, it comes apart really easy. Let's put this all part of the same ball. Copper. I know people like doing this. They're a fan of taking every little thing apart like this, get the most value out of everything, but I just don't have the time to do that. If I tried doing that, I don't think I'd have any time to do anything else. So I'd rather not do this, and I'd probably just, if I were to even take this apart, like I said, it's working, so I'm selling them as working, but if I were to take them apart, I would just break the case and sell it as copper bearing motor. It's just a lot easier to do it that way. I don't have a lot of time. I think I wake up around 7 and I go to bed at midnight. I just don't stop. Either work, family, kids. Wow. From being thick, stuff ended up being quite thin. But copper is copper. Almost done here. Sorry, wasn't expecting this, so I wasn't planning to make a whole video. Just me unwinding this. But I think I'm gonna stop now. I think I'm gonna bore you guys. You guys just watching me do this. So like you can see, there's a lot of copper in this. So for people who like taking things apart to the end, very worth it to take these big transformers apart. So yeah, that's the end of my video for this alarm system power supply or transformer. So like, subscribe. If you have any suggestions or comments, let me know in the comment section. Have a good day, guys.